Next up, Untouchable for Black Mous. This way to extract a weapon case without having taken health damage in that deployment. This sounds very difficult, and it is incredibly difficult. Currently, the mission I think is glitched because it says health damage and not just damage in general, so plate damage shouldn't count for it, but for some reason, taking even a single bullet or even a single centimeter of fall damage seems to cancel out the mission entirely. When they say no damage, they mean absolutely nothing, not even a sneeze. So essentially what you want to do is go into a game with a few friends and stay AFK completely far away from everyone else, far in the water, and hopefully you spawn nearby an extract that's all the way on the shoreline so you can simply get to it and extract without taking a single ounce of damage. Our first run wasn't so successful. As they jumped off the roof, a squad of 6 people just came out of nowhere and tapped them once. That failed the mission for us, even though we successfully destroyed the bullfrog, grabbed the weapon case, and helped them extract. Now, the second time we did this, we spawned far in the northwest side of the island with an exfil right next to us, which is perfect. All we need to do is get them to swim far out so they don't take any damage. Simply wait for us to come to them by the exfil. We'll clear out the area, they'll swim to us, hop on the plane, and we'll get out of there. There are very little AI in the area, so it's super easy to get rid of them. And essentially what we did is one of us waited there, the other 2 went around waiting for the bullfrog to spawn, and that's when we discovered something actually quite hilarious. We went outside of bounds accidentally. One of us died because we were out of bounds for too long, and it was up to me to go ahead and kill the bullfrog. Now, not only is it quite hilarious that our friend died out of bounds, we'll get back to that in just a moment. There's a huge glitch here, but the next part is that you can get rid of the bullfrog super easy. Just wait for it to drive directly towards you, then jump onto the bonnet of it, climb on top, and hopefully if you time things right, you'll take no damage at all and not be squished. When you're on top of it, simply just shoot down until the thing explodes, pick up the weapons case, and then run for your friend who's waiting by the extract. Clear out the area, let them hop onto the plane with you, and then simply wait to extract with absolutely no damage. Now, this did count for them, and the funny part is that it counted for our other teammate that was dead the entire time. So, the easiest way to do this, and this is a huge glitch discovered by us, is to simply, whoever needs to get it done, head out of bounds and die. The only way to win this game is not to play it. So, whoever needs to get it dies out of bounds and therefore can take no damage. This is obviously a huge glitch and it will be patched at some stage, so for now you can go ahead and use this to finish this mission really easily. I went ahead and died next game out of bounds, then simply waited for everyone else to get the weapons case and extract, and just like that, the mission counted for me as well, as technically I took no damage. I couldn't take any damage because I wasn't alive that round. Absolutely crazy.
You're gonna get millions of views because no one can do this mission, and you're gonna say, thank you to my friend Rumpel for skin. No, actually, write this down. My guy here on Instagram, his name's MTV Splice.
He's got nothing, right? He's got like 9 photos, that's it.
Why are you looking at my photos?
Anyways, hopefully you found this video super useful. This glitch is especially useful for finishing this really painful mission, but otherwise when it gets fixed eventually, just make sure that you spawn somewhere far away and swim far away in the water to get where you need to be, exfil, and that's really it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.